Hi everyone! I wanted to pop in with an important reminder. Today is the last day to grab the early bird pricing for my Lead with Confidence Bootcamp. If you've been thinking about stepping into 2025 with more confidence, clarity, and leadership impact, now's the time to take action. This 6-week transformational program includes live weekly group coaching sessions to build your confidence step by step, science-based practical exercises you can apply to your life, career, and relationships, and a WhatsApp group for accountability and support. And if you sign up by midnight tonight, you'll also receive a bonus one-on-one coaching session with me to set personalized goals and hit the ground running before the bootcamp even begins. The early bird rate is just $9.97. But after midnight tonight, the price increases to $14.97. Spots are limited, and this is your chance to join a group of incredible women leaders who are ready to transform their lives and careers. Imagine starting the year with the tools and confidence to tackle challenges head-on, lead with impact, and show up fully in all areas of your life. That's what this bootcamp is all about. Don't wait. Secure your spot now and lock in the early bird pricing. This is your moment. I can't wait to see you in the bootcamp. Let's make 2025 your most confident year yet. Click the link to sign up before midnight and claim your bonus session. Let's do this together.